Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to learn basic English nouns. We will learn slowly, together. I will say each word slowly. Then I will say the word again. After that, I will use the word in a simple sentence. After each word in each sentence, there is a 1.5-second pause for you to repeat. Please listen, repeat, and practice with me. Say the words out loud if you can. You can repeat the sentences too. It is okay to speak slowly. It is okay to make mistakes. Repeating helps you learn. Today we will learn 3 groups: people, home, and objects. Let's get started. First, people words. Remember the pattern. Word, pause, sentence, pause. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Andy. Man. Man. The man is tall. Woman. Woman. The woman is happy. Child. Child. The child is playing. Boy. Boy. The boy has a ball. Girl. Girl. The girl is smiling. Friend. Friend. She is my friend. Family. Family. I love my family. Mother. Mother. My mother is kind. Father. Father. My father is at work. Teacher. Teacher. The teacher is speaking. Student. Student. The student is learning. Doctor. Doctor. The doctor helps people. Great job. You learned many people words. Think of people you know: a mother, a father, a teacher, or a friend. Now, home words. These words are about places and things in a home. We use the same slow pattern. Word pause, sentence pause. House. House. This is my house. Room. Room. The room is clean. Door. Door. Please open the door. Table. Table. The book is on the table. Chair. Chair. Sit on the chair. Bed. Bed. I sleep in my bed. Window. Window. The window is open. Kitchen. Kitchen. She is in the kitchen. Bathroom. Bathroom. The bathroom is small. Let's repeat some home words one more time. House, room, door, table, chair, bed, window, kitchen, bathroom. Well done. Keep going. Now, objects. These are things we use every day. We use the same pattern here too. Phone. Phone. I use my phone every day. Computer. Computer. The computer is new. TV. TV. We watch TV at night. Let's repeat them. Phone, computer, TV, short. Great work! These are common objects in daily life. Today, you learned many new nouns. We studied people, home, and objects. People, man, woman, child, boy, girl, friend, family, mother, father, teacher, student, doctor. Home, house, room, door, table, chair, bed, window, kitchen, bathroom. Objects, phone, computer, TV. Look around you and say these words when you see the people, places, and objects. This helps you remember English in real life. Practice every day. You can pause and play the video again for more practice. Slow practice is good practice. You did a great job today. You listened, repeated, and practiced many useful words. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time. Great job today. Keep practicing these words and sentences. Little by little, your English will get better. I am proud of your hard work. See you in the next lesson. Great job today. Keep practicing these words and sentences. Little by little, your English will get better. I am proud of your hard work. See you in the next lesson.